What's up, craft kids? V! Let's get started. Nailed it! Yeah! Alright, Odin. We're gonna draw some squares with rounded corners for the eyeballs. Ready? Okay, these are an angle. So it's almost easier. Tip your page just a little bit. Come out here. Draw a square with rounded corners. They do not have to be perfect, do they, Odin?
No.
No, because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
fun. Cool. Next, the other one's on an angle going this way. So we draw another one to match right there.
Hey guys, if you have time, check out our alphabet lore playlist link in the description.
Good job, man. Cool. Let's draw some eyelids. So the eyelids are going to curve up slightly, like this, on each eyeball. It's a slight up curve. In the drawing zone, big guy.
Sorry.
I know it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Good job, though. Okay, look. Next is the pupils, and on each one of them, there's a line that curves down like that and curves down like that. And the whole area here is colored in black. So we'll do that right now. Next, we're gonna draw the bottom of V, okay? And the bottom of V comes from about mid-eyeball to about mid-eyeball, okay? So we're gonna just imagine, and it's down just a little way, so like right about here, and we're gonna go to mid-eyeball, so like right about here. Do you want me to make you some dots? You want some dots? Like Dad did? Let's see what looks like a face here, okay?
Okay.
Good job. And then make a line across like that. Yeah, good job. Like our next lines are gonna go, there's gonna be the V part, right? So this is gonna go up through the outside part of this eye. It's actually gonna go behind it. Right here, behind, and then it's gonna stop right there. Stop. Good job. Now the other line is gonna do something very similar. It's gonna go through the outside edge of this eyeball. Okay, like this. And it's gonna carry on up through. This one's gonna go taller. It's gonna go right up to there. Yeah, stop. Good job. Now this next part is on a little bit of an angle. So it's gonna angle down. Going, keep going. Looks a little further. Stop. Good job. Now this one is gonna come over on a little bit of a flatter angle, like this. And then they're gonna connect with like what looks like a V. Also guys, if you have time, check out how to draw uppercase V. Link will be in the description. This doesn't go up quite as high as it should, but that's okay. I'm gonna go with it, and we're gonna do our last step before we color, which is we're gonna put a angry face on V. Okay, cool. Next, we color and we thicken and we color and we do a little bit of shading, and then we are done. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. V! These came out really cool. Oh, and you like my V?
Yeah.
I like your V too. Oh, oh, oh. This is my V. This is the one I did. Is that the one you did?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Odin. These came out remarkable. I think you did a great job, Odin.
Hey, you said
Oh!
Justin.
Oh, wait. Yours came out really good, Odin.
Yeah.
The blue we chose, I think, is a little bit dark. A little on the... We haven't battled in a while. Boo, boo, V, 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 V. Okay. We don't want to ruin the drawings. Okay, so The blue I picked a little bit aggressively dark. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry if it's a little hard to see. But these are our V's. You have fun? You have fun? He's into making like noises like that a lot. I don't know if they're battle noises or what they are, but he's into it. So anyways, Odin, what do we tell them? Until
We
see you next time. Keep drawing. Stay awesome. Bye.